Module 7. Networking and remote monitoring systems in CCTV and smart automation. Module Overview. In today's security and automation landscape, networking and remote monitoring form the backbone of effective CCTV surveillance and smart building integration. Gone are the days when CCTV cameras were standalone systems that required manual supervision. Now, with the rise of Internet Protocol, IP-based systems, cloud computing, artificial intelligence AI, and the Internet of Things IoT, cameras and smart devices are interconnected, remotely managed, and intelligently automated. This module takes you through the core principles, hardware, protocols, architectures, and practices required to build fully networked, remotely accessible, and automation-ready CCTV systems. 1. Fundamentals of networking and CCTV systems. Types of CCTV networking architectures. Standalone systems, cameras connected directly to DVRs/NVRs without internet. LAN-based systems, CCTV integrated into local area networks for multi-user access. WAN and cloud-based systems, CCTV connected to the internet for remote global access. Key networking devices, routers, direct network traffic and assign IP addresses. Switches, connect multiple devices efficiently. Firewalls, provide security against unauthorized access. Access points APS, enable wireless CCTV connections. 2. IP addressing and configuration. Static versus dynamic IP addressing. Static ensures fixed camera/NVR access. Dynamic via DHP changes, requiring DDNS or cloud. Subnetting and gateway configurations ensures correct data flow between camera, NVR, and internet. Port forwarding, a key requirement for remote access to cameras/NVRs via the internet. 3. Remote monitoring systems. Web-based access, using IP addresses or DDNS to log into cameras via browser. Mobile applications, apps like HiK Connect, IVMS 4500, a Dahua DMSS, Unify Protect, etc. Cloud-based systems, storing and managing CCTV footage on vendor or third-party cloud platforms, multi-site remote monitoring, integration of multiple branches/facilities into one control center dashboard. 4. Smart automation integration with networking. IoT integration, cameras connected to smart devices, lights, alarms, locks. Event-triggered automation, motion detected, sends notification, triggers smart locks or alarm sirens. Voice assistant integration, remote camera access through Alexa, Google Home, or Siri. AI-based remote systems, facial recognition, vehicle number plate detection, and behavior analysis performed on remote/cloud servers. 5. Security and encryption in remote CCTV systems, cybersecurity risks, unauthorized access, camera hijacking, and data breaches. Encryption protocols, SSL/TLS, WPA2/WPA3 for Wi-Fi, VPN tunneling. User authentication and multi-factor authentication, MFA. Best practices, always change default camera passwords. Use firewalls and disable unused ports. Regular firmware updates. 6. Practical networking setup for CCTV assigning. IP addresses to cameras. Configuring NVR/DVR for LAN and internet access. Setting up port forwarding on the router. Installing and configuring a remote monitoring app. Testing real-time access from external networks. 7. Troubleshooting remote access issues, common problems. Camera not accessible remotely. Port blocked by ISP/IP conflicts on LAN. Slow streaming due to bandwidth limitations. Troubleshooting tools, ping, traceroute, network scanning tools, bandwidth analyzers,